This was the moment I watched an active volcano erupt right in front of me, and nothing could have prepared me for it. If you are new here, hi, I'm Priyanka. Welcome to my channel where I take you along on my travels around the world. In my last video, we explored the stunning Lake Acatenango from epic viewpoints to that unforgettable sunrise hike. If you have not watched that video, I'll give you the link in the description. And in this video, we are heading to Antigua for what turned out to be the absolute highlight of our Guatemala trip, the Fuego Volcano experience. This is our shuttle to Antigua. So just boarded our shuttle and we are going to Antigua from Lake Acatenango.
Remember when you told me that I should take it slow, but I can't stay when the world is waiting. I'm too used to being on my own. Hearts will break, but I have to chase it. I'm dancing on the edge again. The wind is calling my name.
So after 3 hours of drive from Lake Acatenango to Antigua, we are here in Antigua and we just checked into our hotel. Also, we were very hungry, so we thought we will have something, and our hotel has a restaurant, so we are sitting here, and this restaurant is really nice. And for starter, I have ordered gin and tonic. It's delicious. Also ordered pizza, which is coming soon. So finally, after waiting for some time, we got our room. This hotel looks absolutely amazing, and inside the room is also very chic and very nice. This is really an exciting video because we are going to hike a volcano. Here in Guatemala, there is one popular hike to see the volcano up close, and it's very difficult, but we are going to do it in different way. First, we have to go for quick orientation.
So, for those of us walking up, wow, we're going to be here tomorrow morning at 7:45.
The next morning started with breakfast at our hotel. After that, we packed up everything we needed for the hike and got ready to head out. We are starting at 12 p.m. for the hike, and right now we are just checking out of the hotel. It's about 10 minutes walk from our hotel, the check-in area. Such a nice time right now. The weather is really nice. It's pleasant. It's sunny. It's a little bit hot, so we are all set, and we are taking one backpack with 4 liters of water. As I told you, we are doing it little different. So what we are doing is we are taking 4x4 vehicle from Antigua till 80% of the hike, and the last 20% we are going to hike till the base camp. That's what we are doing because I am not sure if we could have done the hike, so we are taking it on a precaution. So let me quickly explain what this hike actually is. This experience is all about hiking up Acatenango Volcano, which sits right next to the very active Fuego Volcano. From the base camp on Acatenango, you get a front row view of Fuego, and it erupts every 15 to 20 minutes, which is honestly insane to witness in real life. Most people do this as an overnight hike where you hike up to the base camp, stay the night and watch eruptions under the stars. Now traditionally this is pretty intense hike. It can take up to 5 to 6 hours to reach base camp, but I chose a slightly easier option where most of the distance is covered by 4x4 ride and only the last part is a hike. So it gives you the experience just a little more manageable. After 45 minutes of drive, we are here at one of the point where we have to register ourselves. So we are in the queue.
Looking back, babe, you can change me, you can tell me down. I'll leave echoes in every place I find. I'll break the molds with rebels mind. I'm a hurricane of free.
45 minutes of ride, we reached at the top, and from here another 45 minutes to the base camp. The hike is relatively okay, so let's see. You can see behind me, that's Fuego. Guys, we reached the base camp after like 1 hour hike. The hike was very simple, but the last leg was a bit uphill, but nothing crazy. And we also saw the first eruption of Fuego. Wow, I'm so happy right now.
I would have cried.
So we got the banana bread, apple, and we also have tea and coffee. And then it happened again. We saw another eruption of Fuego Volcano, and oh my god, I don't think anything prepares you for this moment. The sound, the smoke, the whole experience, it was unreal. Welcome to our glamping. So these are the two beds. This one, totally private, and let me show you the view. So it's sunset time and everything looks so beautiful here and peaceful. We are just chilling here in the common area where they have lit the fire, and we are just enjoying. As you can see behind me, that is Fuego mountain. Look at this view. Oh my god, this is unreal. This is our first sunset of 2026, and this couldn't be better than this. That's the common area just in front of the volcano. Everybody is waiting for lava to come, Fuego to blast. Wow. If you want to get even closer, you can actually do the Fuego hike, which is about 4 hours round trip from base camp. But from what we have heard, it's extremely strenuous. So definitely something to keep in mind while planning. As the night got colder, we enjoyed dinner at Basecamp while waiting for more eruptions. And honestly, just sitting there watching the volcano, sipping hot chocolate in the freezing cold, this was one of those moments you just don't forget.
There are so many eruptions. Oh my god, we are going crazy. Oh.
The sleeping bag which we got. Okay. And Angela is sleeping here, and these are our luggage. And as you know, this is the tent which we already packed up so that there is no cold coming from outside to inside. It was such an amazing evening, you guys. We saw such beautiful sunset, and oh my god, the volcano eruption, it just continued. First we just saw smoke kind of volcano eruption, and after that we saw lava. It made our whole trip successful. I am so happy right now. We just enjoyed the moment. The sunset was so beautiful. After that, so many eruptions, we couldn't have asked for more. After that we had dinner. It was basic, but we really loved it. Now it's time to sleep. And also, let me tell you, it's cold out here, very cold. Thankfully it's not that windy, so we are good about that. So it's our private tent. I'm going to sleep and see you guys tomorrow morning. I wanted to come here and say that you definitely need a headlamp because there is no light, and this is the savior for everything and anything. So good night. See you guys tomorrow morning.
The next morning we were supposed to do a sunrise hike, but at 4 a.m. the weather was really bad and our guide said it wasn't safe to continue. Such a bummer. We watched the sunrise right from the base camp while having breakfast, and it was absolutely magical in its own way. So it's time to leave, and I don't want to leave. After the breakfast, we packed up our things and started heading back to Antigua, ending what was easily one of the most unforgettable experiences of this trip. If you're planning a trip to Guatemala, this is something you absolutely cannot miss. And in the next video, we will be exploring more of Antigua, so stay tuned for that. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And if you have any questions about this hike or planning your Guatemala trip, drop them in the comments. I would love to help.